What's up, you guys? Good morning from the Disneyland Resort. As you can tell from this title, I am here for a Rise of the Resistance boarding group, although I don't think I planned this very well. It's about 30 minutes until opening, but I didn't realize there was, oh, that's right. I didn't realize there was a magic morning this morning, so people have already been in the park. I'm trying to do something different where I want to get a physical boarding group. I don't want to do the app. I want to try and see what the physical boarding process is like going to a kiosk. Plus, I'm only here till like noon today, so I have to get like boarding group 30 and below or it's a bust. So we'll see if I can run to a kiosk and make it happen. Who knows? Maybe magic will pull through. Alright, I made it into the park. I definitely did not plan this right. I got 10 minutes to somehow get over to Splash Mountain. Hope there's no one over there and no one knows about the physical passes. I highly doubt it, but let's find out. Current situation. A lot of people at the entrance of Adventureland. Hopefully they're just going to Indiana Jones. We'll find out in 5 minutes. People are walking, but I hear everyone talking about Indiana Jones and pirates, so I'm gonna run it. I'm booking it! I'm booking it! Here I come! Here's the current sitch. Not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, it's like 3 minutes to 9. Like fourth in line. We'll see.
You're in?
76. Alright, it was a valiant effort, but I got a backup group 76. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that process. Apparently if you are the first one there though, a lot of people have been getting boarding group 1. I had 3 people in front of me, so that probably took like 20 seconds before I actually got to the machine. So that's why I got group 76. However, if you do come early and you aren't like walking the park 10 minutes before 9 and get to one of the kiosks first, you can get a really early boarding group. But that was just the physical process in case you guys want to try that out. I did laugh really hard though because one of the guys out in the machines put his ticket in like 30 seconds early and he grabbed the pass. He's like, it's live 30 seconds early. And then he realized that it wasn't and he walked out of line and he was like, wait, can I come back in line? It didn't give me a boarding group. Make sure you get a boarding group. I guess the nice thing about being way back here this early is like really no one's back here because everyone enters Galaxy's Edge through Thunder Mountain side or Fantasyland side. No one's really comes over to Critter Country. So it's nice. Anyway, ooh, lighting. Oh my god, that one's flare, amazing. I got a lot of time to kill now. I finished my goal for the day. Just wanted to see what the physical fast pass system was like. Boarding group system. Excuse me, not fast pass system. But now I'm like, what am I gonna do? Like a ton of people just like waiting in front of Rise of the Resistance. I don't know if they have early boarding groups and just waiting to go in or like trying to sneak in, but like, you trying to join the Resistance or what? Wow, early morning Rey sighting. She's up early, Jedi training. Get it, girl? Hold up, wait a minute. If Rey is chilling right in front of Rise of the Resistance, why is she sending me like a transmission when in the first like pre-show? Like I saw you right outside, girl. You couldn't just tell me it then? You gotta send a full transmission? All right. I don't know if you can tell because the shutter speed on the iPhone is a lot different than the sign, but it's about exactly 18 minutes after park opening, and Smuggler's Run is at a 25 posted, but it looks like they have the full extended queue open over there, and the line is currently all the way back that way, so I think that needs to be updated a little bit. Just looking at some of the items for breakfast in Docking Bay 7 because I've actually never ate breakfast at Docking Bay 7, and I forgot that they're selling the sporks now, and you can actually mobile order it too. It comes with a little traveling case, and it's a spork. Basically back when Galaxy's Edge first opened at Docking Bay 7, they used to give you the sporks with your meal, but people kept stealing them. So now you can officially purchase them without stealing them. And it's only about like 11 bucks. plus AP discount, like 10 bucks. Not bad for a little souvenir from Galaxy's Edge. A spork. Okay, to be really honest, the only people I ever want to hang out with are the people who rope drop Oga's Cantina at 9 a.m. I'm all for it. Wait, excuse me. This is the line for Smuggler's Run. All the way back by the entrance. What is this, opening day? Just stopped by the good old Refresher, and I had a thought. How funny would it be if in the restrooms they had Babu Freak like saying, hey, hey! Because, as you all know, in Wizarding World, they have Moaning Myrtle in the bathroom. And the same actress voiced Moaning Myrtle, voiced Babu Freak. So I think it would be a funny nod to have Babu Freak in the bathroom. Although, would it make sense? It makes sense for Moaning Myrtle. But now, maybe I'm second guessing my thoughts. I thought it would be funny. Anyway, I think it's time for me to take my leave of Galaxy's Edge. Fun fact, the Thunder Mountain entrance into Galaxy's Edge has the best lighting and background. This like Thunder Mountain wall. It's where I took my Atlantis photos. Great lighting, great atmosphere. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. But yeah, that is it, you guys. Just wanted to show you my little morning in Galaxy's Edge and my physical boarding group process. To be honest, my all-around thoughts are, unless you are like the first one over to the boarding group distribution area and the first one at one of the machines, your best bet is still probably on the phone. But if you've had more luck at the physical fast passes, let me know. I've seen like people get boarding group 1 from it, so it works. But if you're not the first one, I'd say just use your phone. Thank you guys for watching, though. I always appreciate you. If you are not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button, boop, 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 so you know when I upload next. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys real soon. Hopefully with a better boarding group next time.